Another unboxing. Okay, I did something a little crazy. I got something a little different than my normal unboxings, normal things. Something I kind of impulse bought, and we're gonna unbox it and see if it was worth it and if I can keep it. I don't know. The return policy of this place is actually quite not great, so I don't even know if I can return it. So I might be just stuck with this, but we're gonna see. So I got another Stockx unboxing, Stockx series, my Stockx series of Stockx sales stuff. So we're gonna do this. We'll give you the story real quick, and then we'll do the unboxing, and then we're gonna talk about it. Okay. So another unboxing, another Stockx unboxing. Stock. What could it be? What could it be? It's not what I normally get. Not what I normally get. No. Something different. Okay. All right. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic. And today we're doing a Stockx unboxing, another Stockx unboxing in my Stockx series. I don't know if I've started my Stockx series, but if I haven't, I can start with this one or I will backlog. But Stockx, not something I normally get from Stockx, also not something I normally unbox. So, but it's something I wanted to get, and I kind of impulse bought as usual, Shopaholic. But I will talk about it in a sec, and then unbox it, and we can look at it together and see what we think. And I don't think I can return it, so I think I'm stuck with it anyway. So if that's your interested, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, first of all, do you guys have experience with Stockx? Have you used it before? Do you like the marketplace? Do you not like the marketplace? Tell me in the comments below what you think about Stockx. So Stockx, I've been buying a lot of Goyard on Stockx, and I've been having some issues. I've had a lot of issues, and then I've had some successes. And I can go more into that in another, if I haven't in the other videos, or I'll do a separate Stockx story video. If I haven't, well, whatever. Quick recap: Stockx, buy, sell, trade. Like you give a price, you bid on things, how much you want to pay, you negotiate, and you make a price, and you buy the thing. So I bought a few Goyard bags on there because they were way under retail, and I was like, ooh, let me try this out, let me see. And I would put bids in, or I'd put bids in, and sometimes they would just accept my bid, and I'd be like, what? And it was like so low, and I was like, what? Or the price would actually be so low, and so I just took it. But a few times they've accepted it, and I didn't even realize, so I kind of overbought impulse. I just like put a bunch of bids out, obviously, just put a bunch of bids out, threw them out under the wind to see if they would happen, and they just keep buying. But then a lot of them have failed, a lot of them have verification passed, didn't pass, the person didn't ship, the price was too low, whatever reason. So I had a lot of issues, so I got a lot of credits from Stockx. They were very kind enough to give me credits every time something failed, or like blah, blah, or didn't pass verification, yada. Or some of the things that come in and I've been like, are you sure this doesn't feel new, this doesn't feel authentic, or whatever. So I've had a couple issues. For the most part, great customer service, great company, blah, 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 yada. Anyway, so they gave me a lot of credits, so I used the credits to buy other things. So I put a bid on this, not thinking it would buy at all. $700 was the bid, with a credit for $100, so it was like $600, but then Stockx takes like the tax, and then there's a processing fee, which is like 3 or 5%, and then a shipping fee, which is $20. So it ended up being, I think, $780 was the total for this. But still, steal of a deal. I finally have scissors. Still, steal of a deal, $780 for this. I think if this is what I think it is, I tried to get more information. I realized I didn't get enough information about this particular item or selling this item in general, like how people are, what the requirements are to sell this item on Stockx. Like, does it have to be brand new? Does it whatever? Like, and how does it come? So we're gonna find out together. But so I was a little worried because this is something I want to get. I've wanted to get for a little bit because I needed it, but we'll see. Okay, anyway, that's a lot of preface. They always package really well. It's very like bubbly packaged nicely. Okay, so what I got, which I can't believe I got, is I got a MacBook Air on Stockx. Okay, wow. Okay, so it's still wrapped in the plastic, which makes me think, which is what I was worried about. I was like, are they sending me a MacBook that's not new? Like, is it gonna be unboxed? Like, so this is, but then how do they check? Like, right? Like, this is a question I gotta ask them. How do they check if this is new, if it's never been opened? Like, how do they check what's inside? It's got its little Stockx verification over the tab thing, so when I open this, it's like opened. But I mean, it's got all the serial numbers and everything. I think I have to take it to Apple Store. That's what I was worried about, is like, because I want to get a new MacBook because I need a smaller size, a travel size that's going to fit into my bags. And my 16 inch is too bulky and too big, and it doesn't fit into anything. It doesn't even fit. I mean, it fits into my Goyard, my biggest Goyard bags, but into my GMs, but it's heavy and it weighs it down, and it's causing these tears, especially on my rose gold. And it's too big. I mean, it would fit nicely in like It barely fits in, you know, any of my other bags, but this basically I got to fit into a Birkin 35. Manifesting to fit into my Birkin 35. So I wanted to make smaller, easier, lighter, and I wanted the air because it's lighter to travel with. All this box is very heavy. But anyway, so I've been wanting to get this. Okay, it was $755, $73 in sales tax, $37 in processing fee. So yeah, 5% processing fee, 10% sales tax, $15 for shipping, which is a little less, $780. Oh, that was $880, and then I got $100 off. So $780. So yeah, I was a little hesitant because like, how can I add Apple Care to this? How can I like know that it's brand new? Like, but it looks like it's completely packaged. So I wonder if this means it's brand new. And if I can get, but then like how long has this person been holding onto this item? Like, you know, I'm just a little wary about it. And like, how do they check it? How do they check and make sure it's good if they didn't even open it? Or do they open it, check everything, and then reapply this plastic on? Like, how do they know this isn't damaged inside? How do they know it's not worn, turned on? Like, I guess if it came packaged and they didn't unpackage it, that's fine. But like, somebody else can package it, right? I don't know. Is there a way for me to check? Does anybody know? Maybe I should check this against my other MacBook. Hold on. Where is my MacBook gone? Oh, where could it be? Oh, where? I'll be right back. I can't find the box. You know when you find something and you're like, oh, okay, I found it, and you put it somewhere, and then you're like, oh, I know where it is, and now I don't know where it is. Anyway, I'll have to compare it. I'm also going to call Apple and see if I can get Apple Care and everything on this, or how that works when you buy it like this, because I've always bought it from the store. But this was $780 versus, I think it's like $1,200 in the store, so like, pretty good savings. And I got it in the midnight black color. Maybe I'll just take it to the Apple store and find out. So TBD, we're gonna have more update on what happened with this Stockx purchase. Stockx, Apple MacBook, but they have everything on there. They have trading cards. They have like all the craziest things. It's like, it's everything you ever want. And then they have Birkins and Kellys and things, but there's very few of those. They have a lot of Chanel. They have Goyard. They have a lot of Goyard. Every Goyard bag you could ever want, for the most part, is there. It's crazy. Go check it out. Do you guys have experience with StockX? Like, let me know what you think in the comments below. Has anyone bought anything from a Mac, from StockX? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with friends and family. Share with your next, since I know your time is valuable. I know you're precious, so I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.